Imagine waking up every day, ready to conquer your goals. What if I told you motivation is overrated? Instead, discipline is the true key to success. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. It's what turns your dreams into reality. Discipline is the practice of training yourself to follow through. It's about making consistent choices that align with your goals. When motivation fades, discipline kicks in and keeps you on track. Let's break down how discipline works in our lives. First, set clear goals. Write them down and visualize them daily. This creates a path to follow. Second, develop a routine. A well-structured routine helps you stay committed. Consistency is crucial. Next, eliminate distractions. Identify what pulls you away from your goals. Limit those distractions and create a productive environment. Finally, hold yourself accountable. Share your goals with a friend or use apps to track your progress. For example, consider an aspiring writer. Some days, motivation might wane. However, if the writer sticks to a daily word count, discipline ensures progress continues. Over time, the writer sees improvement and meets their goal. In summary, discipline is more reliable than fleeting motivation. It keeps you focused and productive. Set goals, develop routines, eliminate distractions, and hold yourself accountable. Ready to unlock your potential? Start embracing discipline today. Make it a habit and watch your life transform.